Hi, it's David in the Stained Glass Studio, and on this Tech Tip Thursday, I want to show you how we're putting quarter-inch outer bar around an octagon window. Now, the thing that gets confusing is that you might want to start with a line that comes straight out the framework, but that's not the way you want to do it. What you want to do is you first lay a piece of metal across, and then you need to, what I do is I take a Sharpie pen and I lay my metal right up against there, and then I draw a line that's perpendicular, or rather flush, with the end of the zinc from the other bar. And that way I get one that will intersect properly. So my intersection comes after this area rather than right at the area. And that's the secret to doing a one that works out fairly well. Now what will happen is we'll have wild lines running around the octagon. Now these are pieces of scrap that aren't big enough to go on regular 12 by 12s, and so they just sit around and gather dust until we're ready to do this type of a framework. Now, Jeannie's already pre-cut these for me because we had to spend a few minutes to figure it out again. I always hang on to that nail so I don't drive it into I don't slip and miss my glass. Slip and miss my glass. I don't slip and hit my glass. All right, so there we are. So after they get soldered, then we'll cut all the little pieces off. Now here's where, joining it up, I have to take this piece. See, it's running over this edge and over this edge, so I have to take it off completely. And you'll see that I can. This one, okay, now it's ready to be soldered. Once we solder each of the joints, then we'll be able to take it over and slice off all these extras.
So videotaping all of these little tech tips that you do, for one thing, is helpful to all of you who are watching, but also as a business, you want to make sure that you have a video of everything that you do. For instance, what if you needed to hire someone to come and help you? Then you have this video to help them to know what exactly you want.
So this could be a training video for our employees. We're all ready, because...
Well, actually, I had someone come in and help me foil this one. Oh, you mean our employees? Oh, no, the employee that helped me to foil this window was actually a student of ours. And so I actually trained her on a window that she built for herself. So I knew that she had the expertise.
Now we can go over to the saw.
All right.
All right. And I have a cloth underneath the saw because otherwise it starts vibrating all over the place. Tries to wander on me. Alright, so now you can see how that edge looks. And so now we'll solder the back, and then I have to solder each of these edges on the and fill those up. So we'll do that. Okay. Now we'll get this special stand. I don't know, this might be, not sure if it's too tall or not. All right, so for doing these, you just do one at a time.
Pretty fancy tool you have there.
Yeah, it's two boards standing up.
So you're just filling in the hole.
Now you worry about the flux filling that up, but the flux runs out on the side so it doesn't get caught.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay. Okay, now it just needs a couple of rings and a good polishing and it'll be done.
Okay.
Is this where the rings go, here and here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks for being with us. It's been another Tech Tip Thursday. I hope it might come in handy for you sometime. See you next time.